Welcome back to Ethiopian Construction Work Professionals. In our previous videos, we discussed safety basics, hazards, and personal protective equipment. Today, we will talk about safe work practices and site housekeeping. Many people think accidents happen by chance, but most construction accidents happen because of unsafe actions or poor site conditions. Safe work practices are the everyday habits that help workers stay safe on site. They are simple actions, but they make a big difference. Even when PPE is used, accidents can still happen if work is rushed or the site is not well organized. Site housekeeping means keeping the construction site clean, organized, and free from hazards. It includes proper storage of materials, removal of waste, and keeping walkways clear. Good site housekeeping is not about appearance. It is about preventing injuries before they happen. Poor site housekeeping can lead to touch-ups, slips, and falls. It can also cause injuries from falling or sharp objects. Waste materials, loose tools, and spills are common housekeeping hazards in construction sites. When the site is disorganized, workers become distracted, and accidents happen quickly. Walkways and access routes must always be kept clear. Workers should never climb over materials or walk on unsafe paths. Clear access routes help workers move safely, especially when carrying tools or materials. Materials should be stored in an orderly way. Heavy items must be placed on stable ground and secured properly. Poorly stored materials can fall or collapse and cause serious injuries. Tools and equipment should be used correctly and returned to their proper place after use. Leaving tools scattered around the site creates unnecessary hazards. Before starting work, tools should be checked for damage. Damaged tools must not be used. Using damaged equipment may seem quicker, but it often leads to serious accidents. Construction sites often have moving machinery. Workers must stay alert and keep safe distances. Good communication between machine operators and workers on the ground is essential for safety. Safety signs and barricades help warn workers of danger and control access to hazardous areas. Ignoring warning signs puts everyone at risk. Weather conditions affect site housekeeping. Rain can create mud and slippery surfaces, while heat can increase fatigue. Good site housekeeping means adjusting work practices to suit site conditions. Every worker has a responsibility to follow safe work practices and maintain good site housekeeping. If you notice a hazard, do not ignore it. Fix it if possible, or report it immediately. Supervisors play an important role in maintaining site housekeeping. They must lead by example and enforce safety rules. A strong safety culture comes from teamwork, good communication, and consistent practices. Many serious accidents start with small housekeeping issues. A blocked walkway or loose material can change lives. Take a moment before each task. Look around the site. Choose the safe way to work. Safe work practices and good site housekeeping can help everyone return home safely. Remember, safety is not optional. It is part of the job. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.